Hi, I'm Captain Chris, wishing you a Happy New Year 2024. I'd like to show you a simple cleat knot. Easy to tie up your boat is go all the way around a 360, cross it over, and then underflip the line and pull it back. And you can now see we've got two rivers under the bridge, here and here. And that's a very simple cleat knot. Easy way to untie the cleat knot is take your foot or your hand and rub it loose like that, and then it will come undone. That's the best way and the proper way to tie a cleat knot. This is one of the knots that we teach in our cruising classes here in Vero Beach, Florida. And also, to share with everybody a good start for the year 2024, we're offering free 15 minutes consulting over the telephone. So if you've got any questions about cruising, navigation, boat equipment, surveys, and sea trials, all you have to do is give us a call. We'll be glad to help you. Free 15 minutes. Ask Captain Chris.